guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth, also known as Ninjabeauti. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about one machine in particular that has become a favorite of mine at the gym. I think for a very long time, it has been one of those machines that a lot of people underestimate. I thought I would make a video showing you a lot of the exercises that can be done on the Smith machine. There is actually a lot of benefits that can come when using the Smith machine. If the gym is super busy, you're not quite sure what machines to use, you're just starting out, you're a little shy, you have muscle imbalance, and you need a little bit more stabilization, Smith machine is great for all of that. There's a lot of exercises that can be done on the Smith machine. I like to use the Smith machine on very busy days at the gym where a lot of the machines that I want are actually taken, and you can actually put a lot of weight to get a great workout. I don't know why the Smith machine gets so much hate, but I actually love it. I'll give you a few of the exercises for lower body day that you could use. On my next video, I'll probably do some exercises for upper body day on this Smith machine. But for today, we're gonna be doing a lot of lower body. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at those exercises.
First of all, we have the regular squat. So shoulder width apart on the feet, pointing the knees out, squat down to about parallel to the floor, back up. Now, for this variation, I do have a 25-pound plate underneath my feet. So this is going to putting emphasis on the quads a little bit more. Same as the regular squat, you want to go ahead and squat parallel to the floor. Point the knees out. Next squat variation is going to be the sumo squat. So this one, you want to go about twice as wide as shoulder width, pointing your toes out slightly. There's no much reason to squeeze the glutes at the top because you are working your quads and your inner thighs with this variation. This machine will allow you to keep a straight back and also give you much needed balance and stabilization if you need it. Keep the core engaged, and remember to always measure the depth of your squat based on the amount of weight that you're able to lift. Moving on to the reverse lunge. This one actually is great for the quads and for hitting those glutes as well. Depending on the angle, if you're leaning forward a little bit more, of course it's going to hit a little bit more of the glutes, but your quads are getting an awesome workout here. Next exercise is going to be the good mornings, and this one is great for hamstrings and that glute development as well. So it hits right on that sweet spot between the connection of the glutes and the hamstrings. It's almost like a RDL variation, except you're bending more at the waist. You want to keep that back nice and flat and straight, keeping that straight line from the neck all the way down to back. Now, step-ups have become one of my favorite exercises on the Smith machine because, again, it's going to give you that stability that you need, and it's going to hit those quads and those glutes. The one thing to focus on the step-ups is going to be that you want to keep that knee in the front or that working leg at a 90-degree angle and push back with the other leg. Make sure that all the emphasis and the work is being done with that leg that's on top of the bench. Another squat variation is going to be the paused squat on the bench. All you want to do is slightly tap and reset at the bottom of that squat movement and come back up. Our last exercise that we're going to be looking at on the Smith machine is going to be the Smith machine RDL. Now, as you notice here, I do have a box underneath me. Depending on the gym that you work out in, they may have a Smith machine where it stops at a higher position. So you're gonna want to add some height to your RDL so you're able to get that full range of motion all the way down.
These exercises are nowhere in order. They're just random exercises that you can do for lower body. Now, if you need a structured plan to follow, then check out my 8-week training plan below. Completely free program for 8 weeks that you can follow with exercises, nutrition tips, supplement links. Everything's on there for you. You don't have to even think about it when you go into the gym. And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I will see you on the next video. Bye.